Okay guys, welcome to this video where we are looking at just general exam style questions for the GCSE foundation tier. So the first section looking at GCSE foundation tier, the next slide is looking at higher tier explicitly, and the slide after that, okay, so yeah, it's just three slides today. So the second and third slide, yeah, are explicitly for higher tier students, but this first one, yeah, it is more for foundation, but it's also the crossover topics here between foundation and higher tier. Okay, and it's appropriate for AQA, edX on OCR. So the first question, yeah, section, so it's just a quick 10 questions. Okay, so question number 1, 23 times 17. So 23 times 17, again, there is more than one way to obviously work this out. Okay, so I'm going to do the following. 3 times 7 is 21, so 1 carry the 2. 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 2 is going to be 16. Okay, the next row, okay, I'm going to put a placeholder. 1 times 3 is 3, okay, and 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, now adding my answers together. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 1, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 391. Okay, again, I can do it via the grid method or the lattice method, okay, or any other method here to like work out my answer, okay, by partitioning the numbers, okay. But it gives me the answer of 391. Question number 2. Share £48 in the ratio 3 to 5. So I'm going to add my ratio parts together. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 48 divided by 8 is 6. So each part is worth £6. Okay, just to make it clear here, so £6 is equal to 1 part. So in 3 parts, that'll be 6 times 3, which is going to be 18. So it's £18 to £30, okay? Because 5 times 6 is 30. So it's £18 to £30, okay? And you can check your answer by adding the numbers together. Okay, 18 plus 30 does indeed equal 48. Okay, so that does confirm my answer. Okay, and this also simplifies back to 3 to 5. Okay, by dividing both parts by 6. Okay, yeah, to work backwards. Okay. Question number 3. Increase 120 by 10%. So I'm going to work out what 10% of 120 is. That'll be 12. Add that on to 120 and I get 132. Okay, 10% of any quantity means divide it by 10. So 10% of 120 here, just to be clear.